Okay, so as you can see, I got a mask on, and I'll explain that in a second. So we found a place here at San Remigio, I can't pronounce that, Cultural Center and Leisure. The reason why you have a mask on is right here. No face mask, no entry. Of course, I don't mean you wear it all the time. So you got this has even got a little convenience store here. Nice little convenience store for snacks. And there's Kitty. You got these, look at these giant mushrooms made out of concrete. Everybody's sitting over here. Hey everybody. Hello. Everybody's waiting ice cream.
Yeah, they're eating ice cream.
So my understanding is each one of these has got a number on it. So that one's got a 6. This one's 7, reserved. I'm not sure what room we are. We're number 11. So I think you're supposed to get one of these. We're low tide right now. It's not very nice out there. Water is way out there. But here's our room. We're only going to be here for a night. So, okay. So, this is our little room. And it cost us about 20 bucks a night. It's got a double bed. It's got an air conditioning on it. It's got a TV. And the bathroom or the CR. Do you have a light switch? There it is. They got some steps down here. So you can see they got a toilet for after swimming in the ocean, sink. And it's just a typical little CR or bathroom. So that's the bathroom. And it'll serve our purpose for hanging out here tomorrow. Yep, so here we are.
You did not change him, Daddy.
No, I didn't. I thought you were going to.
Believe he's going there.
Wow, first time in the ocean since March. Wow. Pretty sunset.
Get the sunset. Wait,
Water's nice and clear. Whoa.
see that one? Baby crab.
Go crabs?
Snail. Look at the snail, Daddy.
Whoa.
Baby. Hi.
This way. Oh, Liam's in his water.
Mommy. Bing. It's nice, Daddy. It's nice.
Why are they blowing a whistle?
That's a church bell. Daddy, look this, Daddy. This is a baby crab. Yeah, it's dead.
We're at low tide.
Crab, it's dead.
And here's the view from the beach where we're staying. I suppose. Mommy and Liam taking a walk. Got your starfish? Yeah, you got a pile of them already, don't you? Go catch up with Mama. Go on. Come on. Go get Mama. Go, 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 go. Here, I'll hold your hand. Come on. No, leave the starfish. Come on, leave them. Oh. Nice and dark. Can't even see in here.
Shoe, mommy.
So, hon,
Yeah.
how'd you enjoy your day today? Getting out of the house.
Enjoying speechless, like for how many months, yeah, of
6 months.
staying in the house, and now, yay, we're here, spending time with my two lalang.
Swimming,
Yeah,
going up
swimming,
property,
yeah.
finally planting your.
Dwarf coconut.
Yeah, because
like
you've been.
me.
How long you been trying to get those coconuts in the ground?
3 years.
Yeah, 3 years we've been talking about it. And so they're now planted. Little Liam, we just got out of the shower. We're outside underneath one of our little concrete. Our neighbors got a little bit of alcohol and a little bit of loud music. And we are just hanging out here. Morning.
Good morning.
So what do you have here on the breakfast here this morning?
We have a leftover lechon, grilled chicken, lechon manok, liempo. We have crab.
I can't see anything because everything's so blurry.
Yeah, potato, pork chop,
Pork
and
chop, chicken, crab.
Yeah.
This is a typical Philippine breakfast, is it?
No. No. It's in the what? Yes,
A typical Philippine breakfast would consist of fish and rice.
yeah, that you will go to
And
swim.
potato, and got crab. Got some more over here just waiting their turn.
Yeah.
Okay, well me and Liam, we're gonna go swimming. Oh, there's some good food. We got bananas over here,
I'll show you.
fish. Whoa, big fish.
And
Fish
crab.
and crab and Of course, I like my pork.
Pork and chicken grill.
Liam's enjoying himself some bread right now because he likes bread, but he had some watermelon. You like watermelon? Yeah, watermelon. Yeah, you dropped some down there. Drop the watermelon. What is that?
This is dynamite.
Dynamite?
Yeah. Big chili, the chili espada. I put ground pork and cheese. Uy, this is hot. Spicy.
Give him a taste.
No, uy, spicy lagi daddy. Go doon.
He might not like it.
Yeah.
He likes lemons.
Yeah. Ding ding also. Okay, ra?
And we're sitting at the table. And what a beautiful view we got out here. This is our breakfast view. Got a good breeze out here today, as you can tell by the leaves. It's about 80 degrees out here. Very pretty. I'm having breakfast with
More watermelon.
my sister-in-law, brother-in-law,
What do you want? Bread?
their son
Watermelon?
JJ and
Chicken?
baby.
Oh yes. Yes, yes, chicken.
You like chicken?
Gamay lang gang.
What's a chicken say? Bark, bark, bark. That's right. Can you tell me what a cow says? Oh, how about a monkey? Can you tell me what a monkey says? Ooh, ooh, very
How about
good.
the lion?
What? Wow.
What is the sound of
Wow.
Gia, what is the sound of the dog?
Do you know what the dog says? How about a cat?
How about the bird? No.
Wow.
No.
What does a T-Rex say? How about a snake? Very good. You're so smart. Can you count to 5?
Count big.
5. Wow, you're really smart.
Again. Until 10.
You like dinosaurs? Yeah.
Oh, crab. Oh.
You like crab? He likes
Yeah,
crab?
he likes crab. When I buy last week, he keep on eating crab.
Oh, I know he likes fish.
Yeah.
He likes dried fish. He likes fish, any fish.
Tala ko ayo gitanaw lang dried fish. Tala ka si Charles gitanaw lang gid niya nga sa liya may kakat nang ulo sa buwad. Hilaw. Luto das lamisa. Nabaso-baso pa sa ingkit ba yung saan gani gikaon ni Liam Kayli. Siya na ulo sa buwad. Puti. Nagdaga na pud ko. Oh, hold that one.
Oh, no more. That pork or chicken? That's chicken. You like chicken?
Let him eat the pork because it's hard for him.
Ah.
Yeah.
Liam, what color is your hair? Brown. What color is Daddy's hair? White. How about Mommy? Mommy's is brown too? No, what color is Mommy hair? Black. That's right. Well, you are so
What
smart.
color is the leaves? Leaves, that one.
Green. Green.
San natita?
Wow. I have a smart son. He gets it from his mama. Okay, hello everybody. It's Kelly and
I'm Ann.
We had a very long day yesterday and today.
Yeah.
We got a lot accomplished. We got our trees planted. Your
Mulberry.
mulberry?
Mulberry.
Oh, I didn't know what they were when you planted them.
Yeah, I plant too.
Oh, okay. And then we had your sister's birthday.
Yes.
Made her cake and
Yeah.
family
Banana
time
cake.
out on the property. And then we came here. What's the name of this place?
San Remigio Cultural.
Okay, and it cost us $1,200 a night, which is about $24 a night. And we sat at the beach, had all day swimming, and we had a lot of fun.
Yes.
And it's the first time we were out since March.
Yeah, it's been a long time. Last we've been swimming.
So what is your plans now?
I think we're going to bamboo forest
Yeah.
to have a video there.
So we may or may not, we're not sure, but right now we're going to cut this video short. We're going to get on down the road because Liam is grumpy.
Yeah, he don't want to stop swimming.
Yeah, he didn't want to leave.
But we're already checked out.
Yeah.
It's already 12 something.
Okay, so we're going to cut this short and go on home. I'm Kelly.
I'm Ann.
We'll see our next Philippine adventure.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.